Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Today we are going to solve the question, find and return the dates for the days which had lower sales than the previous day. So for this again we will be using the invoices and we'll use the CTE and window functions. So first let's build our CTEs. Again we'll use the year month date format, invoice date as date round total as sales from invoices grouped by invoice date. Then we need day by sales including previous day. So we'll use select date previous day simply sales from sales. Now the final statement we will want date previous day current day sales from day by sales where sales less than previous day. So we can see each of the day where the previous day sales was higher is output, but it doesn't has all the days. If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.